Hey guys, it's George from Currys, and today we're going to be looking at 3 things we love on this Belling cooker. It gives you versatile cooking options, it saves you time on hob cooking, and it makes cleaning a breeze. Now I'm going to get myself over to the lab to show you these brilliant features in more detail. There's so much you can do and so many dishes you can make with this cooker, and you can even decide exactly how you want your food to be cooked with 3 ovens comprising of a fan oven, 2 conventional ovens and a dedicated dual circuit variable grill. So if you've got a bake sale coming up, or if you want to get experimental with your cooking, the Belling cooker has you covered. Now, to show you the versatility of this cooker, we've got 3 different dishes already on the go that all require different cooking styles. Now, this is going to be perfect when you find yourself in a situation where everyone in the house wants something different to eat for dinner. So this cooker is definitely going to help you save some time. Now, not only does it help speed up the cooking process, it also keeps your cooking space safer by using special magnets that deliver heat directly to your pots and pans rather than heating up the zone. Now, you can get fast and reliable cooking results when you need them most. In fact, it's nearly twice as fast as a gas hob and 30% faster than ceramic. You'll also be able to save yourself plenty of time when it comes to cleaning. It's made a lot easier with the special Easy Cleaner enamel coating that simply lets you wipe away any excess food or grease. If you want to find out more info on this Belling cooker, visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.